Hi everyone. Today, we are going to talk about the benefits of incorporating gymnastics and calisthenics into your fitness routine. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced athlete, incorporating these exercises can help you see significant progress and improvements in your overall strength and agility. From personal experience, calisthenics and gymnastic-style training is the reason I built a crazy physique. When you see athletes that do calisthenics and gymnastics, they all have great and aesthetic physiques, almost Greek-like. A bulk of my training since day one, I would bust out hella push-ups and sit-ups till I get cramps. Just to think, doing push-ups at over 270 pounds is pretty heavy. Imagine, you consistently do those heavy-ass push-ups over and over while eating right and controlling how much you eat. You'll notice the muscle under all the fatness. Shit is crazy when you push boundaries you have never been at. Let's start with gymnastics. This discipline involves using your own body weight to perform various movements, such as handstands, flips, and swings. By practicing these movements, you will build strength in your arms, legs, and core, as well as improve your balance and coordination. Gymnastic rings are by far a great tool for doing gymnastic exercises. I tried doing push-ups with rings, and for those that did them before will understand how difficult it is. Calisthenics, on the other hand, involves simple bodyweight exercises that can be done anywhere and at any time. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, dips, lunges, squats. All exercises build your foundation, which will show in your physique the more you master these movements. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and can help improve your overall fitness level. One of the best things about gymnastics and calisthenics is that they are low impact and can be adjusted to your own fitness level. Whether you are just starting out or looking to challenge yourself, these exercises can be modified to fit your needs. So, why should you start incorporating gymnastics and calisthenics into your routine? Firstly, these exercises are a great way to build strength and improve your overall fitness. They also provide a fun and creative way to work out, which can keep you motivated and engaged in your fitness journey. Especially as a heavyweight, it is heavier to move your body around. If you can master your own body weight, you can master the world, bruh, on my mama. I never made more gains than trying to do hella pull-ups at over 230 pounds. It is what helped build my physique to the most aesthetic it ever looked. Another benefit of these exercises is that they can help prevent injury. By strengthening your muscles, you can reduce your risk of injury and improve your performance in other physical activities. So, whether you are looking to build strength, improve your overall fitness, or simply have fun while working out, gymnastics and calisthenics are a great choice. So grab a mat, a bar, or get in that push-up position and start exploring these exciting and challenging disciplines today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay fit and healthy.